My name is James Massey. My partner is Joni Emanuel. I'm here to talk about our drone that helps stop pollution. Did you know 88% of the ocean is polluted? And that there's a pile of garbage 2 times the size of Texas? Our drone helps stop pollution by it has antennas, so it's solar powered, so it never runs out of batteries. It has a robot arm that puts the trash into the trash compactor, which turns it into oxygen. It has a thermal camera, so it can see animals underwater, so it doesn't pick them up. It has an air purifier, so it can purify the air into fresh oxygen. And then there is another drone connected to one of the propellers that drops down into the garbage to stop to untangle animals in the garbage. And then there's a big net that can hold 500 pounds of garbage each grab, and it goes out 12 times a day, so that's 6,000 pounds of garbage a day and 2,190 pounds a year. And this is our picture of our drone. Thank you for listening.